Listen, I have a great question for you. If you're going to actually be processing, let's say, millions of dollars in revenue through a global gateway, then how do you actually know that your funds are actually safe from hackers? Please keep in mind, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This video is for educational purposes only. Alrighty, so ladies and gentlemen, I would like to introduce you to none other than what is known as Crypto Must. Literally, this video is very important, especially for business owners, CTOs, and e-commerce directors who simply cannot afford to compromise on security, especially whenever it comes to adopting a new payment infrastructure. So Crypto Must, you guys, they are literally top of the line if you did not know. There are very real fears, especially whenever it comes to vulnerabilities, smart contract exploits, and drained corporate wallets. This is considered one of the biggest roadblock keeping companies tied to slow legacy banking systems, which technically no one wants, right? So I want you guys to understand that you can actually completely eliminate a platform, Crypto Must, technically whose security is continuously validated by a leading third-party blockchain expert. We're talking about industry leading, okay? We're talking about third-party blockchain experts, people who actually know what they're doing. Now, the overall specific infrastructure here, you guys, it is backed by official comprehensive certic audit results. Not only that, but resilience against advanced cyber threats and potential exploits. So if we take a look here really quick, you guys, on Crypto Must, at the very top, you guys can see we have what is known as payments, right? So we got crypto payments. We even got crypto processing. We got white label gateway. We even got mass payouts. Okay. We even got plugins in API. So you're probably thinking, why is this important? Well, listen, guys, on the operational side, your administrative and merchant accounts, they are locked down here. They are locked down here with Crypto Must, with rigorous customizable access control protocols. Well, I'm talking about things like a mandatory feature, let's say a strict PIN protection for withdrawals. So not only that, you guys, they have a robust two-factor authentication, right? Also known as 2FA, and automatic session auto logouts, right? This ensures that internal unauthorized access is possible. So remember, you guys, that your business, it operates behind a wall of modern cryptography. So I want you guys to understand that literally every single transaction, along with all sensitive corporate data, customer payout information, it is secured both in transit and at rest using the highest available encryption standards. All right. Now, the overall platform's rigorous security here, you guys. I mean, I want you guys to understand that the framework here, it ensures total global compliance, right? Giving large scale. And just want to let you guys know, whenever it comes to Crypto Must, please protect your company's revenue and reputation with military grade encryption, strict internal access controls, and official certic audits. You guys use all this so you can actually scale globally without any time. Let me know exactly what you think. You guys, so be sure to actually secure your business revenue with a globally audited enterprise grade payment platform. Check the link down below in the description to upgrade your security today. Not only that, be sure to smash that like button, leave a comment, and tell me, what do you think? We will see you in the next video.